Create out-of-this-world stunts with the Marble Rush Shuttle Blast-Off set from VTech. This fast-paced marble set features thrilling stunts and challenges like a shuttle launch, UFO elevator, orbital launcher, and MagiStunt Marble swings. Start by dropping colorful marbles into the gravity vortex, then watch as they zoom around the tracks. Then launch 5 metal core MagiStunt marbles into the light-up rocket ship and prepare for liftoff. The MagiStunt marbles are drawn towards the UFO and lifted with captivating magnetic action. Explore 3 different builds using the easy-to-follow, color-coded build guide. Kids can discover the cool physics concepts of gravity and force and explore STEAM concepts. Connect with other Marble Rush sets to make an extreme play set for maximum playtime fun. Take a cosmic journey where learning and fun collide with the Marble Rush Shuttle Blast-Off set from VTech.